Hi, my name is Nick, and this tooltip is on creating mulled windows. When you add windows into Envisioneer, the framing around that window is also included based on the framing options that you have set up for that location. In some designs, you may have multiple windows lined up in a row, and your first thought is to add in each of those windows individually. The problem with this is that not only are you going to be creating small sections of wall in between each window, you are also going to see issues with your trim. So if I add in some more windows here, I'm going to select the same style of window, which is the 3 foot by 4 foot 6 window. When I try to place these in, I'm going to see the individual walls in between those windows. And when I look at this in our 3D view, we can see that we have some issues with how our trim is being applied. The better option is to select the window that you've already inserted, right click, and go into its properties. Under the properties of this window, you're just going to adjust the width of the window to be 9 feet. You're then going to go in and select the number of horizontal panels to be 3. This will create that mulled window. If I look at this into a rendered outline view, we can see how that's going to look. And then under our Details tab, we can say I want to include a vertical separation in between each of those mulled windows and adjust the actual size of that mull. When I say OK to that, we can now see how that window is going to look in our 3D view. And we can see that our trim is now showing around that fully encased window. Another option that we can adjust is if I go into the properties of that window and I go into the quantity tab, I have my mark set to say 3 foot by 4 foot 6 window. Well, in here I can go in and say I want that to be 3-3046 to represent 3 foot 4 6 windows. And when I say OK and I look at that in our 2D plan view, I can now see that mark in front of my window. We hope this tooltip helps you moving forward. If you like what we're creating, be sure to subscribe for future videos. If you have comments, please let us know below. Thank you.